Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Universal tool stand from Parkside, the model PUG 1550A1. It is a mobile workbench with adjustable tool holder. Span width of workpiece supports 94 to 198.5 cm. Max load 150 kg. Frame height 78 cm. Height of workpiece supports 82.5 to 93.5 cm with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Some screws for assembly. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. 2 adjustable workpiece support. Metal, all the construction it is metal. Very thick, I like that. 2 supports arm. 2 extendable frames. Here you can install the adjustable workpiece support, and you can use one of these huge knobs to secure. At the right position you want. And we have the universal tool stand. To extend the feet, press this button to extend and it will lock here. There it is, so easy. And again, unlock. I like it, heavy duty, very thick metal. So let's move on for assembly. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the Parkside Universal Tool Stand. If you are tired of makeshift setups or struggling with unstable work surfaces for your power tools, this stand is an absolute game changer. With its robust steel frame, extendable supports up to 1550mm and universal mounting brackets, it provides rock-solid stability and incredible versatility for your miter saw, planer or bandsaw. It's truly designed to make your cuts more accurate and your workflow far more efficient. If you're a serious DIYer or a woodworker looking for a professional grade yet budget-friendly tool stand that enhance both safety and precision, this tool stand is a fantastic investment. What's the biggest project you tackle with this stand? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Parkside tool reviews and workshop setups ideas, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy building!